Hi there my friends, this is Benjamin here from Singapore and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how exactly can you create a custom domain for your email marketing purpose. Before we move on to the content proper, if you find any value from my video, do remember to like, subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell so that you will receive first notice whenever I upload any new content on this channel. So without further ado, let's go straight into my screen. Now in order to have your own custom domain, of course, first thing first, you need to purchase this domain name. And subsequently, you need to host it on a certain hosting service provider. The one that I personally use is called Bluehost. So far, I've been using it for the past few years and it has never given me any much issues. All right. Plus, most importantly, they have a very friendly customer service support that allows you to actually contact them 24/7. So once you actually click on the link provided below this video, you will reach this particular page called the Bluehost, and that's my affiliate link. All right. Click on this particular button over here called Host Your Site. Alright, so from here, it's actually a 12 months package, retailing at $295 per month. So that means to say you'll be making up for a first year payment straight away. Alright, so select this particular one. So once you have selected it, it will actually bring you to this page whereby you can actually choose your domain name. Now, from here, you can actually select the domain name that you like, and most importantly, I recommend that you use actually a .com extension. Alright, don't go for any other things, but only .com. So let me just create an artificial one here. Let's say work, let me put a small capital letter, work from home for yourself. Alright, so this is the domain name that I'm going to use, workfromhomeforyourself.com. Then I click the next button, whereby Bluehost will now search for available domains. If this is available, they will prompt you that it is available and can proceed on with the purchase. If not, you can always create a separate domain name again, by going back to the previous page. Then from there, once it's available, you can go ahead and continue with the purchase also. So what you need to do here is to key in all your account information, such as your first name, last name, optional for business name, the country that you are staying, the addresses, the phone number, and most importantly, this email address. Now, not only will this receipt of your purchase be sent to this email address that you put in over here, but at the same time, it will also require you to prompt in the email address and your password every time when you log into the Bluehost platform. All right, and trust me, you will need to log into the Bluehost platform pretty frequently because you need to check your emails that's being sent to your custom domain. Okay, so this is the basic package for $295 per month. So for 1 year, you're actually paying $35.40. Now you see all these check boxes here under package extras. You can uncheck everything. You don't need any of these things. All right, so just pay $35.40 for the first year, domain purchase as well as the hosting service. Key in your credit card information, check this particular box that you've agreed and that you've read and agreed to Bluehost auto renewal terms. That means to say Bluehost will automatically renew your domain every time your 12 months is going to be up. All right, so it's up to you whether you want to renew it or not. If you don't respond to their email at the 12th month, Bluehost will automatically charge your card to renew again for the second year. Okay, but like what I said, you always have the freedom to cancel away this domain if you find that it's not beneficial for you, or you wish to actually switch to a different hosting service provider platform. Once you check on this, just click on the submit button and automatically it will prompt you to enter Bluehost by keying in a certain desired password. Okay, and from there you can actually log on to Bluehost and you will reach this page that looks like this. Alright, so my domain name is sayby925. Alright, this is my domain name and it's a .com as well, like what I mentioned to you guys. Once you actually have this domain name, so like for example, if sayby925.com is your domain name and you want to send out an email, like let's say for example, help@sayby925.com or support@sayby925.com, or even your own name, like for example, Peter, at sayby925.com. So what exactly do you need to do? Now, first and foremost, head over to this advanced section over here. All right, so it will actually bring you to the email section here. All right, this is all about the emails, your email account, your forwarders, email routing. Now, don't worry about so many different tabs over here. Most of them, we don't even use them. Just go straight to email accounts. All right, now you can actually key this particular button here, the create button. Press on it. The domain name is here. Now you can now key in the username that you want, like for example, like what I mentioned, help at sayby9to5.com or support at sayby9to5.com, or maybe my name, Benjamin at sayby9to5.com. Okay, key in an optional password that you like. All right, then hit the create button, and your domain name, your custom email address would already have been set up immediately. Okay. Now, however, when you actually need to do your email marketing campaigns, of course, you need to enter into your email autoresponder. All right. Now, the way to do it, we're using Getresponse, which is my preferred email autoresponder. Pretty simple. Just go under my account over here on the top right column, click on that, and hit on Manage Account. Now, once you reach over here, you will see that there's a lot of fields over here. Now, go to email addresses. Okay, now you can click on this Add Email. Now, the name will be basically my name here, Benjamin. All right, and assuming Benjamin at sayby9to5.com is actually the email address that I actually just created with Bluehost, so I just put it as Benjamin at sayby9to5.com. All right, then you can click the Add Address. So the next thing that they will prompt you is you have to go back again to your Bluehost over here. All right, now remember this particular accounts. Right, so you have to check on your email address, and from there, once you check email address, you will see an email that's being sent by Getresponse to your Bluehost custom email address. All you need to do is to open up that email and check on the button confirm. Now, once you have done that, your email address would be registered and authenticated within Getresponse. And from there, you can actually start using your custom email address. Like for example, if you want to send an email marketing out, all right? Let me just go to here and show you how exactly to key in. All right, so once the page has been loaded, click on this button called Create Newsletter. Okay, now over here, this is the one whereby you're going to choose it, because what happens is when you actually purchase Getresponse, most likely you actually use your Gmail address to purchase it. So the from address and the reply to address, email address, would automatically be populated as the Gmail address. But when it comes to email marketing, the reason why we need a custom email address is because of the domain. All right, there's a lot of things that we can do with the domain, such as increasing the domain reputation so that your email can actually land to the primary inbox of your target audience. So from here, you can actually click the button here and you will list out all the email addresses that you registered with Getresponse using the method that I shared you guys just now. All right, so choose the particular one that you want. Like for example, this one, this is the one that I want. Or for example, I can choose this one. This is the one that I want. All right. The only difference is in terms of the name column. All right, one I put it as Benjamin, the other one I put it as Benjamin Go. It's entirely up to you. The important thing that we want here is this thing, Benjamin Go at sayby9to5.com. Okay, so guys, so then from here you can actually proceed on with drafting your emails and straight away send out to your list. So this is the very first step whenever you want to embark on email marketing, which is your custom domain email address. And this is a very important step, guys. So going back again to Bluehost, whenever anybody in your list reply to you, they will generally go into the inbox of here, all right, of your Bluehost account. Of course, you can forward all these emails and addresses, all these email replies from your list to your custom email addresses, forward them to your Gmail account. All right, but generally, I don't really do that because anyway, I check my email accounts pretty regularly and I flush out the accounts pretty regularly. Now, what I mean is I flush out those useless email addresses from my inbox. All right, so once you click on that, click on open and you will see all the emails that you actually receive. All right. So guys, this actually concludes my training for today. Very short training, but very important. The very first step that you will need actually is to create out your custom email addresses. All right. Firstly, you need your Bluehost, purchase your domain name, set up your email addresses from there. Secondly, you need your Getresponse for you to actually integrate your email address into the Getresponse email autoresponder. All right, guys. So this shall end my training and I'll see you guys in the next video and take care.